What's up, guys? Today we're just going to do a quick walkthrough on how to add products to your store. For context, I'm David. I'm the COO and I lead marketing for the brand YGN, and I run an influencer agency that helps brands grow faster partnering with content creators. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to your Shopify dashboard, click on products. You can see here, add your product. We have a sunglass brand. We can just say the Vader, call them the Vader glasses. Pop our description in here. And then we're gonna add some images. Now, your product page is what will get customers to buy. Builds trust. It should answer any questions that your potential customer has, and it will give different looks. The customer, when they visit your product page, they should imagine themselves using the product. So we're gonna have a couple different types of imagery for this product. We're gonna upload a lifestyle image. You are gonna upload a couple colors of the product. You can either add from URL or you can upload it, but we're gonna upload it. Great, upload all these images here. And so let's move this here. Let's make the lifestyle image the #1 image. And Shopify has already created a product category, which is great and really smart. Now we can have product pricing. Let's say it's $45 for the product, and the compare at price is basically the original price. So if you're running a sale, then you would have, this would show up as the actual price and what the customer would pay, and this would show as the original price. You can decide to charge tax on this product. When you're first getting started, you actually don't have to charge tax. So let's uncheck that. And cost would be whatever it cost you to either make or buy the products. Maybe these are $45, maybe they cost us $10 to buy wholesale or from AliExpress. And then it'll give you the calculation of the margin that you'll get and how much profit you stand to make. You can add a SKU. You don't have to, but you can add a SKU. We can set the quantity that we have available. So if you bought 100, let's just add 100 here. Weight will inform how much your shipping will cost. So you usually do want to put this in here. Let's just say it's 0.5 pounds. You can skip this customs information for now. And these sunglasses, there are 3 colors. There's gold, black blue, and black pink. So we want to have different variations. So we can just say color is the variation. And we want to have black, blue, blue. We can have black, pink, and then black gold. Right. With these variants, you can actually price them differently. You can specify how many units of each color you have. If you run out, then Shopify will take that product off the site or just show it as no longer available. For example, let's say we have 2 of these, and let's say we have 10 of these. This is the listing now. One other thing that you want to make sure that you have is the online store sales channel set up so that when you hit save here, this will actually appear in your store. So why don't we do that? Let's just hit save. This product is now created. And we can go preview this, click on the view button here, and you can see this on the store. And you can see the different variants. So if we pick black pink or black gold, you can see the different variants here. Actually, before we do this, we go back to the variant. We can actually select the images that match this variant. This variant is black blue. So we can go in here and just select the black blue, and then we can select black pink, which is here. And then we can select black gold for this one. Click save one more time. Okay, so we have most of the setup. Say one variant is in higher demand or costs a little bit more to make. We can go in and edit more of the details of the variant. For example, click on the edit button and say the black and gold color costs a little bit more to make. We could change the pricing of it to $75 for price, and then you can have the compare at price at $99, and then maybe it costs $25 to make. You can go in and adjust this by variant, and you can go in and also see how many are available. Say there are only 5 available for this product. Then if we want to go back in and we want to actually look at the product in the store, let's click on view. If we go to black and gold, that will be $75 with the compare at price at $99. And then say we wanted to order 10 of them. Let's go to 10. Let's go to add a cart. and it'll tell us that we can't add those black and gold, 10 of them. But if we went to 1, then you can see it in the cart. So that is the variants. They make it really easy to customize the different options for the different products in your store, especially if there are different colors or different sizes or different configurations. And that's it. That is how you add a product to your Shopify store. If this video was helpful for you, hit the like button. And for more tips to build your Shopify brand, hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this.